from here what I like to do is to stick one of these washers either side of the control horn, which allows it to rotate a bit before putting the nut in the end. And here I'm putting the linkage stopper on the control horn. I do use a washer either side of it, and there's the grub screw. Okay, for securing the screw or the bolt to the screw on the linkage stopper, I use Loctite 263. It's a moderately high strength liquid thread lock. I've heard they come in about 10 different grades, and from weakest to strongest. Basically, you only really need the weakest one, because all you're trying to do is hold the bolt in place so that it won't unscrew during your normal use. There's the liquid thread lock on the end of this screw thread. I've applied it with this bit of fence wire, the 1.8mm fence wire that I'm using for control horns. Then you put the bolt on and it'll pull the liquid thread lock into the thread of the bolt and not get in between the plastic of the control horn and the linkage stopper itself. The linkage stopper rotates easily. You don't need to do this bolt on there up tight. You can place it anywhere on the screw thread you like, because the thread lock will hold it in place. You just have to get it so it rotates easily, but if you leave it the bolt too far out, it'll have too much play backwards and forwards. So it's a real fine line measured in microns. You just keep tightening it and like doing it up and undoing it just to figure out where this point is of free moving rotation.